Hello, I'm Sri from CBTU. CBTU presents a course on Python language. Section Introduction. Language Python got its name as a tribute to the British comedy group Monty Python. Monty Python created their sketch comedy show Monty Python's Flying Circus, which was aired on BBC in 1969. This is the webpage of Monty Python and it has got all the history of Monty Python. Agenda for this session which will be covered in this course. What is Python? Python Software Foundation, history, licenses, applications and downloads, and about Python language, its features, libraries, implementations, etc. Python is an interpreted high-level programming language for general-purpose programming. It is created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. In 2018, Van Rossum stepped down as the leader in the language community, but his contributions are continuing and amazing. Python and CPython are managed by the non-profit Python Software Foundation, that is PSF. Python is open source software and has community-based development model. Python features dynamic type system and automatic memory management. Python interpreters are available for many operating systems. CPython is the reference implementation of Python. This is the Python web page. Python is easy to learn and powerful programming language. It has efficient high-level data structures and effective approach to object-oriented programming. Python is ideal language for scripting and rapid application development in many areas on most platforms. The Python interpreter and extensive standard library are freely available in source or binary form for all major platforms from the Python website. The Python Software Foundation is devoted to advanced open source technology related to the Python programming language. More about the history of Python. In 1990-91, Python was created by Guido van Rossum as a successor of a language called ABC. More releases of the software followed. Guido remains Python's principal author and it includes many contributions from others. In 2000, Guido and Python core development team moved to bivopen.com to form bivopen Python Labs team. In the same year, Python Labs moved to Digital Creations, which is now Job Corporation. In 2001, the Python Software Foundation (PSF) was formed, a non-profit organization created specifically to own Python-related intellectual property. Job Corporation is a sponsoring member of the PSF. All Python releases are open source. Most of the Python releases are GPL compatible. The licenses page details GPL compatibility and terms and conditions. This is the Python history and license page. These are the releases. These are the terms and conditions. Have a glance at this license agreement. Applications for Python language. The list is exhaustive and some of them are web and internet development, software development, business applications, business intelligence, machine learning, data science, artificial intelligence, education, scientific and research area, development of desktop GUIs, automation, and many areas. The reason for Python finding place everywhere is summarized in the document The Zen of Python, PEP 20, which includes many aphorisms. The Zen of Python is a summary of Python philosophy. This is displayed when try to import this. These aphorisms are very interesting. Beautiful is better than ugly. Readability counts. Now is better than never. Go through all these when find time, as these are applicable to the real life, practical life. Python import this. This is Zen of Python. Python is available for Windows, Linux and Unix, Mac OS and other platforms. This download page contains all the releases information. The latest version is Python 3.7.1, released in 20th October 2018. Python 2.0 was released in 2000. Python 3.0 was released in 2008. Python 3.0 is a major revision of the language and is not completely backward compatible. Python 3 includes 223 utility, which automates the translation of Python 2 code to Python 3 code. Python 2.7's end of life EOL date was set at 2015 initially. Later it was extended till 2020. Python was designed to be highly extensible, simpler, with less clustered grammar syntax. Python programmer can move time-critical functions to extension modules written in languages such as C or use PyPy. PyPy is the alternative implementation of Python to CPython. PyPy runs faster than CPython as it is a JIT compiler, just-in-time compiler, while CPython is an interpreter. Python is an easily readable language and it doesn't use curly brackets and semicolons. Users and admirers of Python are often referred to as Pythonists, Pythonistas, and Pythoneers. Python tops the list of popularity of programming languages, followed by Java, JavaScript, C Sharp, and others. PHP versus Python. In last 5 years, Python popularity increased by 15% and PHP lost by 6% approx. The features mentioned here are very limited and the list is exhaustive. When you dive into the coding, you enjoy the language. About libraries. Python has large standard library which provides tools suited to many tasks. The Python package index, PyP, the official repository for third-party Python software. It contains over 130,000 packages with a wide range of functionality. This is the webpage of PyP and you can search for the one you're interested in. PyP repository is analogous to Perl's CPython repository. Package managers including pip use PyP as the default source for packages and their dependencies. Pip is a package management system used to install and manage software packages written in Python. Many packages can be found in the default source for packages and their dependencies. In the latest versions, pip comes by default. As an acronym, pip stands for pip installs packages. This is a screenshot of pip. By default, 10.0.1 is installed and it recommends to go for the latest version. This is the command to install and upgrade the packages. Pip version is upgraded. Let us check for the pip version. It is 18.1 and with pip list you can see all the packages installed. These are the implementations. This include CPython, PyPy, and others. The message hello world is printed and the import statement import space underscore underscore hello underscore underscore is entered. Another interesting thing is anti-gravity module. Importing it opens a web browser to xkcd.com website that portrays a humorous fictional use for such a module. It is intended to demonstrate the ease with which Python modules enable additional functionality. Go to Python interpreter, import anti-gravity. It immediately opens a browser. This is xkcd.com, webcomic of romance, sarcasm, maths, and language. The Python one is flying. When find time explore this and this is interesting. That is a brief introduction about the Python language. We are diving into the ocean of Python in the coming sessions. Thanks for watching.